Hi, hello friends. Welcome to T Academy. As per your request, I am going to give the solutions for the previous AE electrical question paper, mathematics. So in this video, we are going to see the mathematic equations, mathematic solutions of various questions asked in the previous AE paper. So the question is Laplace transformation of e power minus 2t sine 4t is equal to. So I'll write the formula here directly. A Laplace transformation of e power minus at into sine omega t. So this is a formula here. So if you are going to find the Laplace transformation of this formula, so you'll get omega divided by s plus a whole square divided by omega square. So by comparing these two equations here, I can say that a value is nothing but 2, omega value is nothing but 4. So substituting these values in this formula here, so 4 divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 4 square, that is equal to 4 divided by s square plus 2 into 2s plus 4 plus 16 here. So it's nothing but 4 by s square plus 4s plus 20. So this is the answer for this question here. So B is the right answer for this question here. Okay, we'll move to the next question here. Now the question is here is asking the z transform of 1 by n factorial is equal to. So this is a condition here. So z transform of 1 by n factorial is equal to what? So first of all, z transform of 1 by n factorial is equal to, I'll write the formula here, sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity, okay, so into 1 divided by n factorial into z power minus n. So substitute the value of n is equal to 0 here, 1 by 0 factorial into z power minus 0 plus 1 by 1 factorial into z power minus 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial into z power minus 2 and so on here. If we simplify further here, so this value will be 1 plus z power minus 1 plus, okay, z power minus 2 by 2 factorial and so on like this. Now which is equal to what? So first of all I write e power z, I'll write. So e power z, what is that? E power z is nothing but, okay, so 1 plus z by 1 factorial plus 1 by z square into, let me correct here, so z square here, so z square by 2 factorial, I write it down here, okay, so this will be equal to z square divided by 2, okay, factorial plus z cube by 3 factorial. Now what is e power 1 by z here, which is equal to, so 1 plus 1 by, so instead of z here you are going to substitute 1 by z, so z into 1 factorial plus, okay, uh, 1 divided by z square into 2 factorial plus 1 by z cube into 3 factorial, like that's going on. Okay, if you see here, this equation number 1 and equation number 2 both are same. So if you expand this equation here, equation number 1, this will be equal to 1 plus 1 by z plus 1 by 2 factorial into z square plus 1 by 3 factorial into z cube and so on and so forth. So this value is nothing but e power 1 by z. This can also be written as e power z inverse. So both are same only. So e power z inverse or e power 1 by z, both are same. So as per this analysis, the answer will be e power 1 by z. C is the right answer for this question here. Okay. Next question. So this is question is asked from the binomial distribution. So if mean is equal to 5 and variance is equal to 10 by 3 of the binomial distribution, then the number of trials required is 2. So first of all, what is this mean and variance? So mean in a binomial distribution, mean is given by n into p. So n into p is nothing but 5, where n is the number of trials, p is the probability of success. So I'll write here, n is nothing but number of trials, p is nothing but probability probability of success. So as per that, mean is nothing but 5. What is the variance? So variance is nothing but n into p minus 1. Sorry, 1 minus p. Sorry, 1 minus p is equal to 10 by 3 here. So n into p, you know. Okay, what is that? 1 minus p is equal to 10 by 3. So 5 is there. This value is nothing but 5 here. If you send this outside, then it will become what? Into 1 by 5 here. So this can be simply as 2 by 3 here. So 1 minus p is equal to 2 by 3. What about p? So p is nothing but 1 by 3 here. Okay. Now we need the value of n. N is now question mark here. So n into p is equal to 5. Okay, p value you know. So n into, okay, 1 by 3 is equal to 5. N is nothing but 3 into 5, which is nothing but 15. So 15 trials are required as per the given mean and variance. So answer will be C here. Okay. Next question. Find the inverse Laplace transformation of s plus 3 divided by s square minus 4s plus 13 here. Okay. This transfer function can be written as s plus 5 minus 2. I'll write like that. After that, s square minus 4s plus 4 plus 9. I can write like that. Okay, so both are same only. Now what I'm going to do is s minus 2 plus 5 divided by s minus 2 whole square. Okay, s square minus 4s plus 4 means s minus 2 whole square plus 9 I can write. Okay, so what I'm doing is again I will do the separation here. S minus 2 divided by s minus 2 whole square plus 9 plus 5 divided by s minus 2 whole square plus 9. Okay, so for simplification what I will do is I will multiply it to 3 by 3. Why I will tell you. So I'm going to make this entire formula. Okay, so how I am going this s minus 2 divided by s minus 2 whole square plus 9 can be written as s minus 2 divided by s minus 2 whole square plus 3 square. Similarly, 5 by 3 into 3 divided by s minus 2 whole square plus 3 square here. Simplification. Now the Laplace transformation L inversion of this value, entire value, I will split it two parts so that you will get a L inversion of like this and L inversion like this here. What is this L inversion of s minus 2 by s minus 2 plus 3 square? You know that formula. What is that formula? So L inversion of, okay, e power at into, it is cos omega t. Okay, so simply what we can write is with respect to this formula I can write e power minus means it is a 2t. Okay, e power 2t. So this entire value is nothing but cos. So cos 3t. Okay, so this can be written as like this, e power 2t into cos 3t plus here 5 by 3 as it is into e power 2t into sine 3t here. Okay, so if we further simplify this, if we make e power 2t as a common, cos 3t plus 5 by 3 into sine 3t here. Okay, so answer will be e power 2t into cos 3t plus 5 by 3 into sine 3t. So same formula we discuss in our first question of this video here. Okay, so we'll move to the next question. The rank of the product of two matrices of each of order 3 is. Okay, the rank of the product of two matrices of the same order is a less than or the order number. So order number here. So answer will be lesser than or equal to 3. So 3 question. So answer is C here. Next one. The double integral of dx by square root of 1 minus x square into dx divided by square root of 1 minus y square is equal to what? So this is the question they asked. Now, so let me take here. So let me take I here. So I is equal to this entire part here. Now what I'm split this double integral into single integral here. Say single part 0 to 1 dx by square root of 1 minus x square, okay, into integral from 0 to 1, okay. So after that dy by square root of 1 minus y square here. So like that we can split here two parts. Now first what I'm doing is integration from 0 to 1, okay. So 1 divided by 1 minus x square, I'll write like this, integration from 0 to 1 dy by square root of 1 minus y square, this entire part into dx I will write, okay. So we know that, what is we know, so we know that integration from 0 to 1, okay, 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into dx will be equal to what, sine inversion of x here. So based on this formula here, I will take this entire part as sine inversion of y. So that integration from 0 to 1, I'll write as it is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. I'll change this part here. Okay, so this entire part is equal to sine inversion of y. And integration starts from 0 to 1 into dx here. Substitute the integration value here. What you'll get here it is, okay. So integration from 0 to 1 square root of 1 by 1 minus x square into sine inversion of 1 minus sine inversion of 0, okay, into dx here. So sine inversion of 1 means what? So sine pi by 2 is equal to 1. So sine inversion of 1 means sine inversion of 1 means nothing but pi by 2 here. So simply I'll write as integration from 0 to 1 square root of 1 minus x square into, so pi by 2 minus 0 into dx here. So I'll write the pi by 2 as a common here. So pi by 2, again integration start from 0 to 1 divided by 1 minus x square into dx. So again if you solve this, the same process here, this can be pi by 2, okay, integration from 0 to 1 sine inversion of x, same formula here, okay. Sorry, okay, so sine inversion of x here, no integration. So having a limits of 0 to 1, now pi by 2 into sine inversion of 1 minus sine inversion of 0. So again same process here. So that implies pi by 2 into pi by 2. There is nothing but pi square by 4 will be the answer. So answer is pi square by 4 here. So in this previous question the answer is pi square by 4. Okay. So let's move to the next question. The number of values of C with reference to the Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function of f of x is equal to 2x in the range of, in the interval of 2 comma 5 is. Now the f of x from the Lagrange's mean theorem, the f of x is continuous in the interval of 2 comma 5 and it is a differentiable within the interval of 2 comma 5 here. Then there exists a one value of such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Okay, here. So what is this f of b and f of a are here? So first of all, what is f of x? So f of x is equal to 2x, x into 2. Now f dash of x differentiable means it is nothing but, it is a 2 value. So f dash of x is nothing but d by dx of this value. Okay, so that is nothing but 2 only. So I'll write it here. F dash of nothing but, which can be written as d by dx of 2x, 2 into x here. So it's nothing but 2 here. Okay, this value. Now here we need to compare this 2 value with this value. So what is f dash of c? Now replace the f dash of c here. So f dash of c. What is f of b? F of b is nothing but it is a lower value 2. Okay, so f of b is a and b. So f of b is nothing but, sorry. So 2 into x value. So what is x value? X is nothing but 5 here now. B is nothing but 5. So 2 into 5 is nothing but 10. Similarly, f dash of a is nothing but 2 into 2, which is nothing but 4. And what is the b value? So b is nothing but 5, a is nothing but 2. substitute all the values in this formula here, which is nothing but 10 minus 4 divided by b is nothing but 5 minus 2. So it's nothing but 2 here. So this f dash of c value and this f of dash of x or c value both are same. That means there exists a infinite number possibles. So answer is infinite here. Okay. Next one. The residue of 1 by z square plus a square whole square at z is equal to ia is. So this is the problem here. So here we need to find the residue here. So first I will write down the formula here. Okay. I will write down the equation here. So f of z is equal to 1 by, I will simplify this it as z plus ia whole square into z minus ia whole square. Now, if you find the poles here, there are four poles are possible. That is a plus IA, minus IA, plus IA, and minus IA. So there are four possibles are possible. But here in the given question, the residue of Z is equal to one positive IA. That means how many? So there are four poles. Among them, Z is nothing but IA positive is at two poles. Z is equal to minus IA is nothing but two poles. So they are asking about this Z is equal to IA is nothing but positive two poles here. Okay. Now the residue of this equation can be written as limit s tends to z tends to I into a. Okay, so 1 by n minus 1 factorial into d power n minus 1 divided by dz power n minus 1 into z minus ia whole power n into f of z here. So this is a formula here. So this is a residual. So this is a formula here, right? Now we'll substitute. What is the n value? N we have 2 here. Okay, so 2. So substitute the n is equal to 2 in this equation here. So limit z tends to ia 1 by 2 minus 1 whole factorial into d power 2 minus 1 by dz. Okay, so 2 minus 1 into z minus a into I, 2 into f of z means this value here. So 1 by z plus ia whole square z minus ia whole square. So this value. So this equation, this point is gets cancelled. This two gets cancelled here. Now limit z tends to ia 1 by 1 into, so d divided by dz into 1 by z plus ia whole square here. So if you further simplify this, limit z tends to ia. So d by this value. So entire value what you get here, it is minus 2 divided by z plus ia whole cube here. Now substitute z is nothing but ia here. Now if we apply the limit z tends to ia, so this entire part, I will write down page here. So this entire part will be equal to minus 2 divided by ia plus ia whole cube here. Minus 2 divided by 2 into ia whole cube minus 2 divided by 2 cube means 8 into I cube into a cube. What is I cube? I square is nothing but minus 1. I cube is equal to minus I. That implies minus 2 divided by minus 8 into I into a cube. So minus minus gets cancelled. That implies 2 1 are 2 4 here. Okay, so I'll write here. So this can be written as 1 by 4 I a cube. This can also be written as minus I divided by 4 a cube here. So answer is minus I divided by 4 a cube. So answer is B is the right answer for this question here. Okay, so we'll move to the last question of this session here. Sorry, if dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square divided by y square plus x square, okay, y of 0 is equal to 1 and h is equal to 0.2, then the value of k1 by fourth order RK method is. So here they're asking only k1 value. So simple. So k1 you need to find here. So what is the k1? So k1 is nothing but h into f of x naught comma y naught, function of x naught comma y naught. What is x naught value given here? X naught value is nothing but 0 here, and y naught value is nothing but 1 here. So k1 is equal to y square minus x square divided by y square plus x square into h value here. H is nothing but 0.2 into y of y0, x0, y0, x0 here. So y square, y naught means 1 square minus 0 square divided by 1 square plus 0 square. So simply it is nothing but 0.2 only. So answer is A here. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video. So I made this video especially for those who are asked me to give the mathematical solutions. That's why I'm making this video. Okay. So please uh, give a comment, or if you are new to the YouTube channel, please subscribe and share this content with your friends so that they can also use this content as a part of their AE examination preparation. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.